Hi guys, welcome to Trendy Unboxing. Today we are going to see review of Patanjali Aloe Vera Kanti Body Cleanser. But before that, according to me, one should have proper idea about the product. Like, is it suitable to my skin type? Is it safe? Is it a pocket friendly product? And many more. So here on this channel we will make detailed video of products which we use normally at home. So without thinking much, do subscribe to my channel to get more content like this. So let's start. This is the front side of Patanjali Aloe Vera Kanti Body Cleanser. And according to them, it is for moisturizing and refreshing the skin. You will also be able to see picture of aloe vera. Know how aloe vera is beneficial to our skin. Aloe vera helps to moisturize the skin. It reduces infection and acne. It fights against skin aging. It has anti-inflammatory properties which can reduce pain, swelling and soreness of wound. Now, let's see the red side of the packaging. According to Patanjali, they have used Ayurvedic proprietary medicine and the composition of 10 grams of each. I'll mention the composition herbs in the description box below, or you can pause this video and read it out. Now let's speak about the base material which they have used in this soap. Vegetable oil based noodles, Sugandhit Dravya, sodium benzoate. Sodium benzoate acts as a preservative. It acts as an antifungal agent. Permitted colors. Permitted colors are caramoisin, allura red, tartrazine, sunset, yellow, indigo, carmine and much more. Aqua. Aqua is used to soften rough or dry skin caused by skin conditions such as psoriasis and much more. So, if we look at the base material and composition content, then they have used much more chemicals in their product. This soap is used in rejuvenating, nourishing and glorifying the skin and helps in removing dryness and roughness of skin. Here they have given their customer care number and email ID where you can directly contact them. They have even given manufacturer's name and the unit address of the product. You will able to see green dot. Green dot on the product means ingredients used in the product are obtained from vegetarian source only. The net weight of the product is 75 gram. And they have mentioned batch number and manufacturing date. This product costed me 15 rupees. How to use this soap? According to my opinion, if you have any skin issues like acne, pimple, dry skin, then after applying this soap, you will see the difference within a month. And secondly, it is a cheap product and you will able to find this soap to any medical store or general store which is nearby to you. Don't expect glow using this soap. So that's all in this video. Do subscribe to our channel if you find this video useful and thank you.